In this video, I'm going to teach you the national anthem of tap dance called the Shim Sham Shimmy. The first step of the Shim Sham Shimmy is called the Shim Sham, and I will demonstrate the first part. We stamp with our right foot, and then we brush back and step. And now do the same thing on the left side. Stamp, brush, step. And now do it on the right side again, and we're going to do a variation with a ball change. It looks like this. Stamp, brush, ball, change, and now finish it off with stamp, brush, step. Stamp, brush, step. Okay, so I'm going to face this way now. So we'll do that right side. 5. Oh yeah, and we start on the 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now repeat that whole thing again on the left, and then one more time on the right. So we do it 3 times. So we just did it once. Let's do it 2 more times. Left side now. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's do all 3 now. Starting on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now for our break number 1, we step forward right foot, we dot our left toes, and then we step on the ball of our left foot, we hop, step back, hop and step back, and now hop with your feet out to the side, and then slide them in together, and then end with a clap. So let's do that whole break. So we step forward, we dot, we step and hop, step, and then hop, step again, out, in, clap. So now let's do 3 shim shams with 1 break at the end, starting on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step, dot, step, hop, step, out, in, clap. So it's a tricky part to count that break. That's why I don't bother to count it, because I get myself confused. So just remember that it's syncopated. Da, 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 clap. Step number 2 is called the push and cross. And it looks like this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, step, scuff, heel, step, step. So that first part's pretty easy, just 4 steps. Start with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's fun about tap dance, just put your own styling into it. So if you want to do your push and actually push with your feet like this, that's fun to do. I like to do a little boogie woogie type thing where, we just use our knees. So really whatever you feel is your flavor of dance, please do that, because that's what makes tap dance fun. So I'll just do the basic structure where we just step in place 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to step for a 5th time, but we're going to scuff with our left foot like this. Step, scuff. So we do step, scuff. Now lift up your right heel and drop it. Cross over. And now step to the right. Now let's do left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff. Heel, step, step. Okay. And now for our 3rd time, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff. Heel, step, step. And now we're here for our break, because we've done something 3 times. And now we change it up for that 4th time, and this is what our break looks like. Step, scuff. Heel, step, 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 scuff, heel, step. So we do 3 push and crosses and then 1 break with crossovers. Here we go. First time, right side, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff, heel, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff, heel, step, step. Third and last time, and step, scuff. And now the break, step, scuff, heel, step, 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 scuff, heel, step, stamp, stamp. The third step of the Shim Sham Shimmy is called the Tack Annie. And it looks like this from our stamp stamp we just finished with. Stamp, stamp, brush toe, step, brush toe, step, brush toe, step, brush ball, change step. So we step with our stamps, and now we do a brush toe, and now step on it. You change your weight, get the left toes ready to brush toe, step, get the right toes ready to brush toe, step, and here's our ball change variation. Brush, ball, change, step. So with counts, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a small change there because we need to get ready to do break number 1, which is this. And in order to have our right foot free, we have to leave out that ball change. So let's do that third Tack Annie step with our slight change. So we do brush toe, step, brush toe, step, brush toe, step, brush step, step, dot, step, hop, step, out, in. And this one we don't do a clap. That's only the first one. So our fourth and last step of the Shim Sham Shimmy is called half break. So now we change up our footwork pattern. We've normally done something 3 times and then a break. This time we only do two things and a break. And so the half break looks like this. Leap, step, shuffle, ball change. Do it again. Leap, step, shuffle, ball change. And now do break number 1. Step, dot, step, hop, touch, out, in, and do that whole cycle again. Leap, step, shuffle, ball change. Leap, step, shuffle, ball change. Step, dot, step, hop, touch, out, in. All right, let's go with music. Five, six, 7, 8, 1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.